belly fat building up. Try these home moves loosely. Sculpt abs begin. Do 45 seconds. Side jump. Raise right arm. Left knee. Repeat. Right knee up. Left elbow touch. Repeat. Core. Thighs. Flexors. Start slow. Make sure you land gently on your toes when you jump. And perform the exercise at a moderate pace. Second move, 45 seconds. Plank, hands under shoulders. Lift knees, left knee to chest. Retract, knee to left elbow. Repeat, engage abs. Keep straight, don't lift slack. Perform the exercise at a moderate pace. Rest for 15 seconds. Third move, 45 seconds. Arms at sides. Feet up. Knees bent start. Lower left leg, straighten knee stop before floor return. Repeat right. Lower arms move. Works thighs too. Keep back down. Perform this at a slow and controlled pace. Fourth move, hold 45s. Arms down, feet lift knees to chest. Raise hips, lower, repeat. Right arm move, challenges upper body strength. Keep your head and back on the floor. Rest for 15 seconds. Final move, form 45s. Back straight, legs up, knees locked, arms down, lift torso and arms. Hover. Return. Repeat for arms, thighs. Step lift upper. Press lower. And keep your legs straight and off the ground. Good job. Bye.